At Select Restoration, we're dedicated to giving you incredible quality, with fast and reliable service. We just received some fantastic feedback with a glowing 5-star review. When we saw this, we just had to share it with you.
Wow! Our expectations were exceeded. Brian, the owner, came over immediately when the call came in. He and his staff handled every detail, alleviating our fears and concerns. The work was done expeditiously and really well.
So, as you can see, we value all our customers and treat them like family with our great service. If you're looking for a company that really cares about fixing your problems, we'd like to think we're the right restoration company for you. Thanks for watching. To get a free site inspection, call Brian Nowicki at 586-791-3900. We will get you on your road to recovery. We look forward to working with you, and thanks for watching.